Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add hyperlinks to an InDesign canvas, and I'm also going to show you how you can embed YouTube videos into a InDesign canvas as well. Now I know we have done stuff in the past of how to get videos into InDesign, but this way, because we're embedding a video from an online source, so like YouTube or something, it's a little bit different. So this is something that's not necessarily been on every single exam paper for the last couple of years or so, but it's certainly been on one or two of them, so it is useful to know. So the good thing about InDesign is absolutely anything can be turned into a hyperlink, whether it's a piece of text or whether it's a picture, anything really. So it's up to you what you want to choose. So let's just say, for example, you have got a little bit of text on your canvas that says click here to see a more in-depth video, exclamation mark. I can turn this into a link. So what I want to do, if I want to turn this into a link, I'm going to right click on the object, and I'm going to go to hyperlinks. I'm going to go to new hyperlink, and then what I can then do is find a video that I want to have this text box linked to and paste it into there. Alright, easy, and then press OK. Right, now at the moment obviously I can't test that, but what you can do, if you want to test it, you can right click on the video, go to hyperlinks, and click on go to destination, and what it'll do is it will then take you to the destination that you want to go to. Simple as that. This also works for anything really, for a picture. So let's just say I have a picture on here and I want to let's place that image obviously on there. So let's say I want to turn this box into a picture. Same principle again. I'm going to right click, go to hyperlinks, go to new hyperlink, paste the link into there and press OK. I can then right click and go to destination. And my hyperlink works. Now, obviously, that is just a hyperlink button. It's a different kettle of fish completely if you want to embed the video into your document. So to embed it means to actually make the video a part of the document itself and not through an external link. So what you need to do this time is start from the video itself. So I'm going to use YouTube as an example. And what you want to do is you want to find what's called an embed code. And you can find that by clicking on share and clicking on embed. And then we want this code here. So what I'm going to do is click copy, and then that code is now copied. And then I'm going to go back to InDesign. Alright, so once I've got the embed code copied, I'm going to go to object, and I'm going to go to insert HTML. And then I'm going to paste the code in there. Alright, now this is what this is now doing. This is me telling InDesign that I want to take whatever's in this website and place it inside my InDesign canvas. So hopefully this should work first time, but let's find out. So I'm going to press OK, and there we go. That is now the video. Now what you'll see is you've got all these lines going through it here. That basically just means that there is a video in here, but it just can't show it properly because it can't show videos. So you can't preview it, but what you want, these lines are a good thing. You want it to look like that. Alright? If you want to preview how it looks, you need to go to Window, you need to go to Interactive, and you need to go to EPUB Interactivity Preview. Now what you should find, in theory, is the video. I mean, the video's not working, which is annoying. But if I click on it anyway, the video is embedded there. I don't know why it's not working, but it should be working fine. But you know that you've got a video link in there that you can now watch. Alright, why it's not working, who knows. maybe just might be rickrolled again. But that is how you embed a video into InDesign. So these ones here are clickable links. This one here is embed. Now if you have to do something like this in your exam, it's really important to know exactly what the brief is asking you to do. So for example, if I look at the examples of some of the old exam papers that you've got here, you can see, which one is it on now? I think it is this one here. This one just says an external hyperlink to a charity's website. That would work fine as, a button like that. Okay? Whereas, I think it's this one. No, it's not, it's this one. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? It's here somewhere. There we go. This one here says an embedded video from a secondary source. So the keyword there is embedded. Alright, that's the important thing you need to be thinking about. Alright, what language does it use? That one, external hyperlink, button would work fine for that. But for this one, because it specifically says the word embedded, you've got to do this version instead. Alright, so what we will do at some other point is we'll look at how to embed your own videos in there rather than hyperlinks. But that's basically all you need to know so far for hyperlinks and embedded videos. I'll catch you next time. TRC